All right, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy CZFX back at it with another video. This video is going to be jam-packed. I'm going to be showing you guys a huge surprise, telling you guys this huge surprise. I ended up passing two 200K accounts on my Forex funds, and this is the phase two. I showed you guys phase one, passing that. This is phase two, passed it in 2 trading days as well. And this is exciting, man. I was already funded 50K, so this is going to top me off to 450K. And here I'm showing you guys right now. So right now you see one of the accounts ended it at $10,000, $191.33 of profit. The second one I ended it $10,311.16 of profit. And I'm going to be showing you guys right now. I'm going to be showing you guys the screenshots as well. So you see, for proof, you see 311.16. You know what I'm saying? 10,311.16, that's the profit. You see 10,311.16 as the profit. And then this one you see as 10,191.33. So you want to go, I want to go down to this one and you see $10,191.33. So you can stop the video, you can look at it. You can see 2 trading days, phase 2 evaluation, 2 trading days, no violations. We go to this one. No violations. Oh, hold on. No violations for this one as well. 2 trading days, you know, and this was the markup. I'll show you the markup that I took to catch the move. So this was the markup I took to catch the move. Very clean structure. Price was creating higher highs and higher lows, maintaining structure. Price was trading above the 50 SMA and was ejecting off this demand zone right at this level I was looking at to enter. No drawdown. I entered right at the start of that 4-hour candle opened around 1 a.m. New York session time, and prices flew. I did have about 45 minutes of like struggle with price. So price ended up kind of being a little bit slow. If you look at it on the 5-minute, you can kind of see some of the consolidation that price had and just being patient, you know what I'm saying, sticking to my plan, being very patient, being very disciplined. And it was about an hour of just price just kind of struggling. And then literally I was looking at like basketball highlights, right? I was looking at like, I believe like Hornets highlights with the Hornets played the Lakers. I was looking at that. I checked back into my computer and I was literally like up and I was just like, holy crap, this is going to like make me pass. And price ended up making me pass. Caught a very good trade, man. Like completely just took off, hit all my targets and some. Prices are like way above right now. And, you know, I'll just tell you the confluences that made me take the trade. So if I remove the sessions, I remove everything, right? If you go on the 4-hour time frame, what do you see, right? You see that price created an inverted head and shoulders, right? You see price created a new high, pushed down to create another support. This is already confirmation with this bullish engulfing candle that the potential bias, right? So price broke above the second form of the zone, the second level, right around this consolidation zone. Price broke above this zone, re-entered inside that zone, right? Dropped down in the 4-hour time frame. You see structure, retested that zone on the 15-minute time frame. You had a breakout, you have a retest, and then price broke above, created that new high. Once price created that new high, I added my SMAs, and I'm like, okay, on the 30-minute time frame, what are my confluences? I see price creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, boom. Low, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Simple market structure, guys. So you had price trading above the 50 SMA. You had price maintaining market structure, right? And then you had price sitting inside my high probability demand zone, right? Where price could really give me high probability setups, right? Right in this demand zone, you have a, you know, complete break out of this zone. Price comes back into the zone. There's a high probability that price wants to take off when it hits that zone. I marked up my chart from this low to the previous high. Price broke above, retested that zone. Price took off, stop loss right here, right at the 0.9% rejection. And price just took off, man. Price went for like a 1 to 5. And, you know, it was, you know, that's all she wrote, you know what I'm saying? And if you look at the weekly, at the start of the week, I was seeing that price was literally sitting at this 50, this 20 SMA on the weekly time frame. So it's like, okay, price is sitting in a very strong zone, right? You see rejection at this, and this is on the weekly, rejection. So when price came back to this point and had that rejection, with the 20 SMA, I was like, okay, that's a very strong level. And then you had this bullish print candle right at this support level. And this is all confirmation that price wants to push higher, right? These are the confirmations you want to be looking at and paying attention to give yourself an edge, right? And that's what I did. I gave myself an edge. I was patient. I actually marked up this trade around 9 o'clock, and I had to wait 4 hours for price to push above, retest inside my price to give me that entry. I waited 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be patient, guys. You got to be patient. You want to be, very disciplined and very in control. You know what I'm saying? One of the things I talk about is PDC. You got to have PDC. PDC is patience, discipline, control. You have those three things, you can get to the consistency mark. Without those three things, you can't get there. You can't get there with just patience and discipline. Because if you don't have control, you're going to go against your rules. If you don't have discipline, you're not going to stick to rules. And if you don't have patience, you're not going to wait for the proper trade. So you got to have all those different things, man. You have all three, you can get to the consistency. You know what I'm saying? And on top of that, yes, you need to know market structure and have a proven strategy, but that only gets you so far. It's really only like 25% of like what you need to do when it comes to trading. I would say 20%. The other like 60 to 70%, 80%, 90% is really just focused on the psychology part. It's the PDC. And that's what I did, man. And for you guys who don't know, again, these are my sessions. So the green is London session, the 4-hour candle. This is from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. This is the 4-hour candle. And then my New York session, right? And I can show you again, same trade, same markup. I marked up another trade during New York session, right? And I mark up and I have all my trades, right? So as you can see, this is Tuesday long GBP JPY first trade, right? And as you can see, this is at 9:15 in the morning. I wait till after the 4-hour candle closes from 5 a.m. New York session time to 9. That's a 4-hour candle close. I want to wait to see how price closes. Price ended up coming all the way back down at the 4-hour candle open. I waited and was very patient, waited for my entry. That's key in importance. You want to wait for your entry. When price gave me my entry that I needed, I executed without hesitation. I had all my confirmations, a high probability setup. Going along with market structure, I have all my confluences that price wants to move and go up. Guess what happened? Price flies, 0 drawdown. Price goes for 1 to 3. Price did not hit all my take profits, but price did go for 1 to 3. I did close way sooner because I don't like to hold trades for a very long time. I honestly like to hold trades for 1 to 2 to 3 hours. And if I can't get the bulk of what I want out the trade, I'd rather just close it and call it a day. I don't do this every day, but for the most part, I do that because that's where I get the best results. You know what I'm saying? Not every trade like this trade takes, 5 or 6 hours just to hit my TP3. Majority of my trades really do that in a more adequate and more adamant and more expedited amount of time, 1 to 2 to 3 hours. And, if I'm taking a trade around 9 a.m., 9:30, a lot of times by 12:30, I'm done for the day, you know what I'm saying? And just being consistent with that, taking high probability setups that make the most sense, that's going with market structure. Sometimes I'm wrong with market structure. Sometimes I misread what's going on. But for the most part, if you just focus on that and take high probability subs, you will be successful. You won't be profitable. And, look at me. I just passed 2 400K accounts. Now I'm officially 450K funded. How I will be trading this account is where I'm going to be risking 0.5%. That was the whole point of me getting more capital, is that I can risk low risk 0.5% and still have good risk management. I can still risk $2,000 a trade. Right now, I'm only risking 300. So I'm going to be able to risk 7.5 times more money with same risk percent, actually lower risk percent. Right now, I'm risking 0.6% a trade, which is $300. I'm going to be risking 0.5%, which is going to be $2,250, which is less percentage risk that I am now. So I'm going to have better risk management. So, those are one of the things that I'm going to be doing, man. And this is only the beginning. I may be going for FTMO, going for the 400K. If you guys want to see that, comment down in the video below. Just comment down and I'll do that. Follow me on Instagram, man. On Instagram, I post all my trades, not all my trades, for all like the highlighted trades. You'll pretty much get stuff first if you follow me on the Sleazy FX page. It's in the descriptions. Follow me on that so you guys can be first to know what's going on. Follow me. What else? Follow me on my main page. Follow me on the Discord. Follow me on my Trading View. It's just search up Sleazy Effects, and the more people who follow, I'll just start making my trades public. So it's kind of like free signals. Just be on the charts around 9 a.m. New York session time, and you'll get my trades. What else? My Forex funds link is in the description. The broker that I use, personal account, is Hey Forex. And let me know if you guys want to see more content. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos, man. Anything that if I have a good day, I'll post it. If I get funded more capital, I'll post it. If I get a withdrawal, I'll post it. Just keep you guys posted, and more vlogs is coming as well. But if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. That's it.